Today's tutorial, how to install Tesseract OCR on Windows in C#. Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Tesseract OCR on Windows in C#. Let's install Tesseract OCR step by step on a Windows PC. It's open source, free, and powerful for extracting text from images. So head over to your UB Mannheim release page. Scroll down and download the latest .exe file, in this case the 64-bit version of Tesseract OCR. Once downloaded, click on the Open button of the installer to begin. Choose your preferred language and hit OK. The setup wizard appears. Click Next to continue, and then click I agree. Choose whether to install it for just yourself or for all users on the machine, and then click Next. Select any additional module you want to install, and then click Next. And then choose a folder where Tesseract will be installed. Copy this path. We'll need it again soon. Now, click Next again. And then you can change the Start menu folder name or leave it default. Click Install to begin. Tesseract installs in just a few seconds and downloads the necessary files. So once it's done, click Next and then Finish. Now go to your Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Open it. Click the Environment Variables button under the Advanced tab. In the Systems Variables section, select the path variable and then click Edit. Click New. Then paste the folder path where Tesseract was installed. To check if everything works, open the command prompt and type Tesseract. And if you see this help screen, congratulations. Tesseract OCR is successfully installed and ready to use. Now, if you're looking for something faster, easier, and ready to use without installing language packs or setting up environment variables, let me introduce you to IronOCR, a powerful C# OCR library that works straight from your Visual Studio using NuGet. So we're using IronOCR, a powerful .NET library for text recognition. First up, we set the license key. It enables the full feature set, even if it's in trial mode, and it's hidden in a region for privacy. Next, we create an instance of IronTesseract, which is the main engine for recognizing text. Then we use OCR input, a class that allows us to load one or more images for OCR. And then finally, we call OCR.read input to process the image and extract text. The result is printed straight to the console. Boom, clean, simple, and powerful. So we'll use the following image for our testing. Let's run the program and wait for the output. All right, we scanned our image using IronOCR, and just look at that. Clean, structured, accurate. From the applicant's name to their job history, everything was recognized with zero setup hassle. So if you're working on document automation, form scanning, or OCR-powered apps in C#, IronOCR is absolutely worth it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronOCR, sign up for the trial on the site, continue, download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.